Hi everyone. So I've been adding more and more examples of playing Wordle using Cypress. And as the number of specs grows, I kind of start doubt that I'm breaking stuff. Especially if I want to refactor something, I do need to test everything on CI. Let's bring GitHub Actions into the mix. Now, normally I would say just go to Cypress GitHub Action and use the GitHub Action to run the thing. But now there's a slightly better way of running tests on GitHub. So if you go to my cypress-workflows, this is it. This is all you need to do. This is actually even more complicated example than what you need. I think the simplest one literally requires one line. So I'm creating a folder called GitHub Workflows, and it has to be in the root folder. Okay, and I'll create YAML file, and for now I will take this file, but instead of parallel I'll just say standard. Okay, simple enough. Let's see if it works. Git add GitHub. I have a couple specs that have changed, but we did add GitHub Actions workflow. Okay, push it to GitHub. And now let's see how it runs. We see the Actions tab. We can see the status checks for the commit already running. Let's look at the overview. Right? So by importing my workflow, which is public reusable workflow, we imported all the jobs that I have defined in my workflow. And right now the job is really has only a couple commands. Check out all the source code and use Cypress GitHub Action to install Cypress and all dependencies and run all the tests. So now it has finished installation. It caches dependencies, so we don't have to wait that long on a second run. And now it's running my tests. So it found 8 specs, and now it's going to run them one by one. First spec is finished. Right now we're not storing the videos and screenshots. I mean, they are created, but we're not storing them anywhere as test artifacts. I would suggest storing them on Cypress dashboard by recording results. Second spec has finished, and so on. So by using my reusable workflow, we can run all our Cypress tests with a single line of config file.